Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm AJ. This is Danny, and we're hashtag the Cannons.
CCTV.
So guys, welcome back to our eating show. Alright guys, today we're back with another mukbang. Today we'll be having oxtail boil for you. We've done this before. You guys have seen it before. So basically we just got some juicy oxtails, really tender, falling off the bone. Got some sausage, some corn, some potatoes. So you know, that's pretty much the makings of this thing. And we also have a butter sauce that I made. It's kind of like a jalapeno lime type flavor that I came up with, and so that's what we'll be eating with this. So I'll get into this in a second, but right before, Dan's gonna hit you with a couple things.
If this is your first time on our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and after hit that post notification bell so that you're notified every time we upload, and give this video a thumbs up, like it.
That's right, guys. Like the video. Also, guys, remember to hit that button and hit that bell. Guys, remember, hashtag grow, baby, grow. Hashtag the Cannons. Close. We're almost about to hit 15K. Thank you, guys. We're moving on up there to our goal of 25,000 subscribers. So right now, we're just saying thank you. If you're new here, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back, fam. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead and pray, and then we're going to do what needs to be done. Father God, in the name of Jesus, we ask that you bless this food. Let it be nourishing to our bodies. In your name we pray. Amen.
Amen.
I'm stumbling over my tongue. I'm going to squirt a little bit of lime on this too, and just to brighten it up.
I got a potato.
Two. I'm sorry with the potato. Okay. I knew that was going to have some good flavor on it. This stuff really, without the sauce, should be good. I'm gonna have for the people who've been asking.
For your bib. AKA a hand towel.
Right, it's just a hand towel. But it's gonna cover me. That potato was good. I gotta eat another one. Oh. Before you guys see this video, I'm putting out an oxtail stew recipe. That's not to be confused with this. It's not the same. These were not cooked like that. Cooked totally different. No potatoes, dumper. I ain't never gonna eat that many potatoes. But see, look at this, y'all. This one oxtails. Look at that. Oh,
so tender.
That lime on it was everything. But I'm gonna tell y'all how I did this, because it's real easy. See, like I said, the stew recipe that I posted yesterday will not have anything to do with this. But yeah, so what I did was, in a crock pot, a slow cooker.
Introduce it one more time.
A crock pot, a slow cooker. The sausages. What I did was, I'm gonna tell you, I am. I started by just simply putting my oxtails in there. I didn't sear them off or nothing like that, like I normally would. I put my oxtails in there. Then I took 3 ingredients. I took some Slap Your Mama, 1 packet. Well, actually, I'm gonna say 4 ingredients. That's Slap Your Mama. I just sprinkle a little bit over there. I didn't get heavy. I just sprinkled a little bit over there, just enough to, you know, kind of season them up. 1 packet, 1 of the Lipton onion and mushroom soup mix. Just 1 pack, because I don't want this to be too salty, you know. And then it's just imparting flavor. I don't need it to be, you know, too much. So there's some things I added toward the end as far as salt that I just need to cook. I just need this to cook in. So, and then also I have Mrs. Dash onion and herb seasoning. If y'all don't know about Miss Dash, y'all slipping anyway.
I'm just slipping.
Ain't no salt seasonings, but I just use them because I like it, because I can add my own amount of salt to it. And but you can use as much as the seasoning as you want, because ain't no salt in it, so it's not gonna overpower the food. So I use a lot of the onion and herb seasoning, Miss Dash. After I put all of that in there, I just covered it with beef stock. 1 box, not 1 super big box, just 1 of the tall boxes. Covered it, put the lid on, let it go. So right when the oxtails were, I wanted to stop it right before they got super tender, but no, I'm going a little longer, which is fine. I just got them to right before they fell off the bone. Stopped them, took the oxtails off, put them in a separate bowl. Then I took my corn and my sausages, just as is, and put them in the pot. Let it go. I added another box of stock because the other one had kind of cooked down, but it had all the oxtail juices and all that flavoring, and it's still in the pot. So I added another box of stock just to cover the corn and the sausages up. Let it cook on high for about 4 or 5 hours, to where the sausages were blistering and the corn was just tender. Look. After that, I know y'all said it's hot, but I intentionally did this. I cut my red potatoes up, left the skin on. I just cut them in quarters. I put the red potatoes in last because I wanted them to be in there by themselves, and then they absorb more flavor. So the corn has been in there, the sausage has been in there. Y'all know how diffusion works? So the liquid goes in, pushes some of that salt out that's in the sausage and everything. It flavors that broth that's in the crock pot even more. You know, so once everything's been in there, that broth that's in the crock pot is really flavorful. And the last thing going in there is some potatoes. So that's why they're so good. I put those in last and let them cook, because, you know, I wanted them by themselves and I didn't want them to be too mushy. And so once they cooked everything, I took everything out. I put it all in the oven safe dish. Well, I had 2 dishes because it was so much, and I put it in the oven uncovered, so everything kind of like not be so wet. And after that,
greatness.
I added a little bit of different seasonings on top here and there, just to wake everything up. That's why I said no need to season the mess out of your oxtails from the beginning, because you want a little bit of some seasoning, some salt on top at the end.
It's great. Don't hear me saying it.
Yeah. I'm trying to show you, but I can't. Sorry.
Not you just gonna give up. I'm not sorry and then bit it.
It's gonna fall apart. meat.
It's so tender. It's so great. I ain't even dipped it in that butter sauce.
I know.
Like, it don't need it.
It really don't. The butter sauce is good, but
it is.
Some things you just gotta leave. I mean, the crock pot and all that, and all its glory, did this stuff well. Like, it really did. Ooh.
Yeah, hot.
Hot spot.
You always find them.
So trying to take me out. Combo.
A combo. I'm getting full quick. I'm getting full quick. This corn got sting. Oh no, you must be crazy.
And the texture of the sausage after it's been in there, it reminds me of, I don't know. I can't put my finger on what it reminds me of.
It's real juicy.
Them potatoes, I just knew I wasn't gonna eat many potatoes. It's so good.
That corn tried to take me out.
Well, it's hot.
Yes.
Yeah, like out here, it's like, we talk about how we gotta have some things. We have a heating board that our food sits on for the most part when we do our mukbang, and so it can get hot. I have it turned down, but like sometimes we have it turned up if we have to. If it's taking us a while to set up, we don't want our food to get cold, but it'll heat something up. I'll be looking for that break, but that shut me down. Look at that. Oh.
I'm about to shut down right now.
This is a woman in Walmart. I think she was Caribbean. I don't want to call her Jamaican because I don't know where she's from. She could be from anywhere, but she had an accent. She said, "Oh," she worked at Walmart. She said, "Oh, you got the oxtail." Hey, yes, ma'am. She said, "Can I come over?" All right, you're welcome anytime.
Just you, don't bring none of your Walmart friends. We don't want them. I think all I've been eating is oxtails and corn. We ain't played this or that in a little while.
That is a shame.
What?
How good that is.
So I thought we would dibba dabba in a little bit. Oh, corn. You got pieces on yours. I ain't never get no pieces. I don't ever get no pieces. What happened to your bib?
It kept falling out. I know somebody gonna say something. I wish he stopped playing with that bib or that towel.
Right.
So I just put it down.
Alright, AJ, waking up to an alarm or without? Should that even be a thing?
I prefer to wake up without an alarm. Alarms stress trigger.
They are. Like this lady at work, her ringtone, ow! Her ringtone is my alarm. I'm like, oh, I'm already up, please. I'm already up. Y'all was trying to get this little meat off that hot board and that thing took my finger out. But yeah, definitely without. If I could wake up on my own, I'm in a better place that way, mentally. If I wake up on my own.
Right.
Because without it, I'm already not a morning person, so. Along with that, and then my alarm going off.
Some people, their alarm go off and they stretching. Hi, Max. That's the dog. You know, it's a good. They ready to start their day.
Me.
But to me, it's always from high school. Now it's a stress trigger. Ah!
Max, get out my way. That is me. Move now. Got to sit up and go up in here. My last piece. Overdressed or underdressed?
I don't know. I'd rather be overdressed.
I was just about to say that. Because, like, when I've been underdressed, I feel
like
tacky.
A bum.
Yes.
You feel like a bum.
Like, why did you even come here? You should have stayed home. Don't do that. Do not do that. Would you rather, not would you rather, change the future or change the past?
Changing the past alters the future. So.
Right. So I guess if I have to choose, I change my future. I don't like that. A pet snake or a pet tiger?
Snake.
You gonna take the snake?
Oh yeah.
Why is that?
I don't necessarily have to. He can be in a cage.
That's true.
Like tiger, I have to worry about him.
Biting me.
Well, I don't have to worry about
him getting out. How am I supposed to get him?
I feel like there's less chance of actual confrontation with the snake. With the tiger, I feel like there's more of a chance that you might have to come face to face with this one.
And if I fight him, I'm not going to win.
No, you're not. And then the tiger eats you. And that's how the story ends.
Right. Hawaii or Italy?
Italy.
I think so too. You know, Hawaii looks really pretty.
Yeah, Hawaii looks. I'm pretty sure it is. It's gorgeous and relaxing and everything. Mm-hmm. But I just want to go to Italy. I've always wanted to go there, but I feel as far as, I guess, tropical getaway.
Yeah.
Hawaii would be nice. Somewhere. I think about that. There used to be this Hawaii ad. Excuse me. It was like a Visit Hawaii ad that they always played. Mm-hmm. And they come on like that. The dude playing the ukulele. And he starts singing, somewhere. That's how he been it. Under the rainbow.
Under it.
Somewhere under the rainbow.
What's under the rainbow? A leprechaun. There it goes.
Oh, over. It's over. Well, you know what I'm saying.
I don't know that. That's why I didn't know what you was talking about. Because I was like,
I
I feel like I know this song, but I don't know the underversion. I don't know the underversion, child.
Bro, don't do me like that. You know what I was talking about.
I knew what you was talking about, but you was still weird. Under. You know how you gotta keep saying something till it sound right, or that never did. Under the rainbow.
Like he made it in a whole tropical song. Like you forget it. You wouldn't even think it was Dorothy and them. Because he come on with the ukulele. And then that's how he sing it. I'm gonna play it. I'm gonna see if I can find it on
YouTube. Good news first or bad news first? Put me down first.
Right, hit me with the bad news.
Then uplift
depending
me.
on, I was about to say, depending on how bad it is, if the good news is that good, it might help me out.
Right.
Usually it's not right that way though.
No.
Usually it's like bad news, she's like this, and then the good news, you get the good news, and it's like not really much consolation.
It's okay.
Like,
It's okay news. Break the law or break a heart. And my heartbreaker. Because I'm not going to jail. That's going to break my heart.
Exactly.
My heart goes.
Heartbreak Kid.
What is that?
Shawn Michaels. I know I'm sexy. I'm just a sexy boy.
No. Stop this singing.
I'm not your boy toy. Boy toy. You don't know Shawn Michaels' theme music? Shawn Michaels is one of the greatest wrestlers of all time.
Bruh, I watched that stuff, but I didn't watch it.
Hey boy. Y'all put sexy boy in the comments if you know all about the Heartbreak Kid Shawn Michaels. Put sexy boy in the comments.
Let me remember you said that, because sometimes when we be telling them to put stuff in that comments and they put them down there and I be answering and I be like, who a sexy boy? Not this one. This is mine. Yeah, get on somewhere.
Put it in the comments, y'all. I'm singing you, sexy boy. I'm not your boy toy. Boy toy. Boom, 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 boom.
Phone, phone. On the phone, phone.
You don't know Shawn Michaels.
I'm gonna look at. I know who Shawn Michaels is, but I don't know.
That's his theme music.
I didn't know that.
That's what it's always been. Always been. Because it come on like, boom, 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 boom. I think I'm cute. I know I'm sexy.
I didn't think he was cute. I didn't think he was cute.
Well,
I guess somebody did.
He said the girl's going wild.
Hey, not this girl. All right. Roasted potato or mashed potato? I'm gonna mash me.
I would say mashed, but I think in my adult years, I like a tender, seasoned roasted potato. Like, if you give me a good roasted potato that's soft and got some good seasonings on that bee, I think I'll take that.
Eat a cricket or a worm?
That's cricket.
Yeah, I'm gonna take the cricket.
Crispy.
Ew!
I don't
like worms, okay? Worms disgust me. Them and frogs, I can't.
They say that both of them,
Who?
Simba say, is slimy.
Oh,
yet
God.
Satisfying.
Well, Simba is a lion and he a cartoon. And I am neither one of those. So.
Simba say, slimy, yet satisfying.
Boom, 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 boom. Can y'all tell it's late? Can you tell?
That's what Simba say.
I don't care what Simba say. I don't care. All right, let's see. I ain't gonna do too many more of these. He a pirate or a witch? Arg.
We talking about a Harry Potter witch or a wizard. I'll be a wizard. I used to think I was one anyway. I used to read them books, and I used to get so fascinated. I'd be in there. Maybe ain't nobody discovered me yet. Maybe I'm not.
No, you are not.
Maybe I'm not a muggle. Nope. Yep. I am a muggle, and witchcraft is of the devil, and I can't do that.
And I won't allow to read them books, and I probably won't gonna read it no way. This is my last one. Would you rather be Santa Claus or the Tooth Fairy? My question is, if I'm the Tooth Fairy, am I a broke bee? Like, I need to know. Because I'm giving out coins.
I'd rather be Santa Claus.
I think so.
Because I don't want
It's only one night I gotta
ain't
go
trying to
out.
hold your dirty teeth anyway. All these children's nasty. There's a lot of bacteria. Children are disgusting. So, and that's who's losing teeth.
Right, cheering.
I got all they bloody teeth. Nope. Make me
just
Santa Claus.
wanted to
I just want
know
to deliver the toys.
If I was gonna be broke.
Like I said, one night a year I gotta get off my boot and load the sleigh and get the reindeer in order.
The reindeer in order.
And, you know, it's just yeah. I think that's a good one.
I'm finishing.
You done?
Ah. Yeah.
I want to thank y'all for joining us.
Oh
today.
my God, not
I really want to thank y'all for this. How much we got left?
What you mean? Like leftover?
Everything
I
in
got
front.
some potatoes. I got some potatoes.
I thought I ate more than 2 corn. Maybe I didn't.
I only ate 2 corns.
I thought I ate more than them. I ate them oxtails though, boy. Them oxtails is good, boy. And the potatoes is delicious. They buttery. They might look brown and messed up. Hi, guys. I want to thank you so much for joining us today. We really do appreciate it, guys. This was wonderful. This is delicious. Y'all gonna see this again. Yeah, gonna see it again. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Also, guys, don't forget to like this video. Drop a comment down below. Let us know what you think. We'd love to interact with you in the comment section, as usual. Guys, remember to share this video with everybody. Just share it with everybody, because sharing is caring. So care about us. Care about us. We love each and every single one of you guys and appreciate everything that you do for #hashtag the Cannons. And we'll see you next time. Do you have anything else, Sandy?